That bird is on a mission. You gonna get that twig, ain't you? Oh, I know they scratch their ears. You learn something new every day. You gonna get that twig. Know what I'm talking about? Yeah, get it. Go ahead, finish the job, boss. You don't start nothing, don't finish it. Okay, you don't get a smaller one. Get both of them then. Oh, that's not too sturdy, huh? Nah, it ain't sturdy enough. But you know what? I'ma hold on to it just 'cause, you know. You never know. Go ahead and get that big old branch. You got both of them in your clothes? You gonna fly? Oh, you gonna hold them down? Let's get that out the way. Get that out the way. Yeah. That ain't what I was looking for. What was I looking for? Uh-oh, we got company. We got company. What they gonna do? Tell them as long as they ain't messing with my function, we gonna have a good time.